What's the meaning of absent-mindedness? Absent-mindedness. 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 Absent-mindedness is a state in which a person is not paying attention to their surroundings or their actions. It can be caused by a number of factors, including boredom, sleepiness, or focus on internal thoughts instead of external surroundings. Absent-minded people may forget things, make mistakes, or act in a way that is not appropriate to the situation. In some cases, absent-mindedness can be a sign of a more serious condition, such as ADHD or dementia. However, in most cases, it is simply a harmless habit that can be easily corrected with a little effort. Here are some examples of absent-minded behavior: forgetting appointments, losing things, making mistakes at work or school, not paying attention in conversations, acting in a way that is inappropriate to the situation. If you are concerned about your absent-mindedness, it is a good idea to talk to your doctor. They can help you to determine the cause of your absent-mindedness and recommend ways to improve your concentration.